Inside a storm cloud, a colossal natural generator is at work. Warm updrafts push water droplets up, while gravity pulls ice crystals down. When they crash, inside the storm, rising ice crystals carry positive charges, while heavier hailstones fall with negative charges. This creates a giant battery effect.
At the core of a lightning bolt, temperature rapidly climbs, shifting into a blinding white-orange plasma glow, reaching 30,000 degrees Celsius.
This sudden, extreme heat causes the surrounding air to expand violently and explosively. This rapid expansion creates a powerful shockwave that we hear as thunder. When the electrical tension between the cloud and the ground becomes too great, the insulating air suddenly breaks current surges downward. This is lightning. Light travels instantly across vast distances. Sound, however, moves much slower, creating a noticeable delay. This animation demonstrates that physical difference.